Just check out the condition of these front struts. Lower bushes, both flogged out. And the top rubber spring mounts are also split in about 3 places. Hello again. I've just returned from a 2,000 kilometre desert enduro. I was riding my KTM 530 and I had a friend as a support driver driving my Nissan Navara D40 model, or a Nissan Frontier, and subsequently the vehicle needs new shocks all around. The conditions were really brutal on man and machine, so I've put a video together to show you how to change the front shocks on your Nissan Navara D40 or your Nissan Frontier D40. So I hope you find this helpful. My first step is to disconnect the tie rod. So that's a 22mm nut and there's a split pin there to remove. I'm also going to disconnect the sway bar at both ends so that I can swing it down. So that's a 17mm nut, and there's a hex socket in the end there to hold it if it starts spinning. Just go up and do the other side. This bolt here, and that's a 19mm head and a 19mm nut on the back. They can be quite tight, so it's often easier to use an impact driver. To remove the 3 nuts on top of the strut.